So watch this piggies, he's loving each other. Screen, so beautiful. It's eating and maybe feeding also, but he's kissing. Yes, absolutely. So beautiful to watch. This is another side. In fact, they are in cage because they are safe. Due to some dangerous animals can attack on them. That's why people always have them to the cage. And now he's safe. If any other dangerous animal like cat or dog can't attack on him, now he's safe. So look at this, he's fighting both couples, white one and this gray one, loving each other. He's doing naughty all day because they are so lovely. So they have given eggs also, but unfortunately I have seen that eggs are on the ground. That was so horrible thing. I was so feeling guilty because their eggs are on the land. I don't know why they